upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't ever lose the wonder of that child within your eyes. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Just a day, just another year. Good in our eyes, you are the best. Gonna love you above the rest. Oh, oh. May the times always smile on you. May happiness always come your way. We're here to love you. We're here to celebrate your day. Oh yeah. We wish the best for all what the best can be. All the best we wish for you, that all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
The years may come and the years may go, but that won't change what we already know. You're such a great friend, and in our hearts your love will grow. Reminisce when you're feeling down. In times of trouble we will hold your hand. You're such a great friend, and we will love you till the end.
happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and hard, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Si Chelsea, tita. Ay, Chelsea, happy birthday. Natatawad na kita dahil hindi ka nakarating. Pero sa Sabado, inaasahan namin ikaw, ha? Birthday mo, remember. See you. Wait na, hindi mo matatanggap ang regalo namin sa iyo. See you Saturday, ha, Chelsea?
Sorry. Alam mo, nasa puso ka namin. Saan ka man? May happy birthday ba?
Sino si Tita Lee? Happy birthday, Mama.
Grabe! Chelsea, oh! May inuwi ako sa'yo. Happy birthday. Regalo sa'yo to. Ito, maraming cereal plates. Pang diet mo. O sige na, may bisita ako. Gusto rin bumati sa'yo.
Hello. Dahil mahal kita, kung si Kuya ito, sa akin ito para sa iyo. Alam mo naman kung layo ko nagugutom ka, alam mo yung best friend. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Party Chelsea ay may isang malaking yan, para mahalin. Para mahalin. Happy birthday, guys. Isang malaking para mahalin.
Happy birthday, Chelsea! Happy birthday, Chelsea!
Hi, Ate Jessie! Happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Umayat ka na ba? Ingat always. Huwag mong pabayaan sarili mo. Baka mamayat ka. Bye-bye. Ingat. God bless.
Si Chelsea ay may isang malaking favorite. Favorite black. Pili na black ka na lang, Chelsea. Happy birthday! We love you. God bless.
So, Chelsea ay may malaking paghanga sa malaking mama. And I wish you na darating ka niya. Happy birthday! Si Chelsea, isang malaking inspirasyon, sa service. Keep the faith, stay happy. Happy birthday. At alam ko hindi tayo mag-set ng date sa lahat ng ating pinupuntahan. Andun lagi yung date natin. God bless you.
Hi, Chelsea! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Chelsea! Nawa,
Pagpalain ka pala ng may kapal. Serious ako. Happy birthday. I know you're so blessed. And salamat sa time and effort and everything. I hope itong birthday mo is maging masaya ka and all your wishes are matupad. Hopefully, kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, maging okay na siya. I'm looking forward na maging better Chelsea in the whole wide world. Yun. Happy birthday and God bless.
Chelsea,
Hello.
kumusta? Tumataba ka? Just want to say happy birthday and thank you for always being a sister to me and for supporting all my endeavors, my plans, and thank you sa mga fundraising na lagi mong sinusuportahan. Maraming salamat sa kasipagan mo and nawa mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Happy birthday and I love you so much. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, Chelsea! Yun. Si Chelsea ay may malaking puso kasi handa siyang tumulong at magmahal sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan. Pwede na nga niya maging linya yung happy to serve! Anyway, actually, ang message ko talaga sa'yo, Ate Chelsea, is may God give what your heart truly desires. Lang, I love you, Ate Chelsea.
Si Chelsea ay may isang malaking sikreto. Pero syempre, hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kasi amin na lang yun. Sikreto nga, di ba? Anyway, Chelsea, I wish you all the best in your life and kung ano man yung mga pagsubok na dumating sa'yo, kung ano man yung mga trials na dumating sa'yo, I know that you can handle it. If ever na you need someone to lean on, if you need someone to talk to, we are always here for you. Don't ever think na nag-iisa ka, and may you be blessed with so much more blessings, and I hope that you will always be happy. Stay happy, stay safe, stay sexy, stay sexy, and God bless you. I love you.
Yon. Si Ate Chelsea ay may malaking topak. Topak. Kasi, sa tuwing merong ano yan, ano tawag yan? May malaking topak yan, sa amin na bubuntun. Sa amin mainit ulo niyan. Kaya wag na wag yung bibigyan ng malaking ng topak yan. Ako, kami ang kawag. But anyway, okay lang naman yan. Kasi sanay na kami doon. Kumbaga, immune na kami doon. For your birthday, sana maging masaya ka. Sobrang masaya lang sana yung maramdaman mo. And, keep serving God kasi, basta, yun lang. Ano ba yun? Love life mo, parating na siya, traffic lang. Galing saan siya? Diyan lang, sa hindi, ano ka ba? Saan siya nakitang nagkala? Ano ba sa secret? I-share na lang namin siya sa'yo. At dahil dyan, dito Twitter mo kami para wala ka. Ayun. At doon, sobrang naliliwanagan na ako sa buhay ko. Kukunin na siya ni Lord. Kukunin na ako ni Lord. Next na daw yung my birthday. Ayun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. Nandito lang kami lagi sa'yo. I-feel mo na lang na yung boyfriend mo kasi wala pa nga siya naglalakad na traffic kahit naglalakad din siya. Ayun, dito lang kami. Palagi, kahit ayaw mo, dito lang kami. Kahit naniinis ka na namin lagi, dito pa rin kami. Wala kang pakialam. Ayun lang. Ganti-ganti lang yan. And, ayun lang, maging masaya ka. Pray ka palagi. And lahat ng desires ng puso mo, bibigyan ni God sa tamang panahon. Okay? Yung lalaki na para sa'yo, ready na, pupunta na daw dito. Okay? Yun lang. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Mama, Ate Chelsea.
Happy birthday! Yeah.
Hmm.
Hi, Chelsea. Happy birthday. Oh, very good health, and stay happy, stay happy. Chelsea, continue to serve God as you serve fellow SFC members. Okay, we love you. Bye-bye.
Si Ate Jella ay may malaking tricep. Kaya, inspiration ko yung tricep niya, kaya ako nag-gym. For that, make us pray. Happy birthday, Ate Jella. Wish you all the best and God bless.
Secret lang to. Secret lang to. Ngayon lang ako nakabati. Si Chelsea ay may malaking puso at pasensya. Dahil sa kanyang mga ginagawa at sa kanyang heart, sa kanyang mga ginagawa at saka sa kanyang pagtulong. Happy birthday, and wala si Aling Ginhaw. And ngayon ko lang ako nakabate, obviously. And happy birthday, and keep up the good work, and adya. Happy birthday.
Si Chelsea ay may malaking puso dahil malaki ang kanyang minamahal. Ang wish ko kasi Chelsea sa kanyang kaarawan ay maging malusog siya. Maging malusog ang kanyang service, maging malusog ang kanyang career, maging malusog ang kanyang gusto mo to. Maging malusog ang kanyang love life, at maging malusog din kami sa iyong birthday. At saka syempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan. Kasi namamayat ka na medyo baka mamaya magalit sa amin si Mamita, hindi ka namin inaasikaso. So, yun lang, ang wish ko sa iyo ay matagal ka pa namin makasama. At ang pinaka-hihiling mo ay sana makilala mo na siya at ang iyong career ay mag-grow. Yun lang, at magkita-kita tayo sa Saturday sa Doneta sa iyong celebration. Happy birthday!
Si Chelsea ay may malaking pagmamahal sa community, lalong-lalo na sa Cornerstone. Yun, Chelsea, happy birthday. More birthdays na kami. Sana magsawa na mag-serve, lalo na sa Cornerstone. And dahil sa atin.
Si Chelsea ay may malaking Radisco at may malaking Family's Brand Sardines sa kanyang bag.
Chelsea, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Wish namin sa iyo, sana magkaroon ka pa ng mas malaking puso.
At mas malaking bulsa.
Para naman, kaming nagmamahal sa iyo ay lalo pang mabiyayaan ng iyong pagmamahal at ng libre.
Wish namin sa iyo, sana magkaroon ka ng magandang career. Alam mo na kung ano yung career na papasukin mo ngayon.
At sana magkaroon ka ng magandang love life.
Correct.
Yan.
At sino naman si Yon.
Yun. At sana magka-date na kayo ni
Sir G.
Ni Sir Chief.
Ayun, sana magpatuloy ka pa sa iyong pagsiserve sa SFC, sa Cornerstone, etc., etc., etc.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Chelsea ay may malaking pagmamahal sa kanyang pamilya, sa kanyang mga kaibigan, at sa kay baby boy. Chelsea, sana enjoy mo yung iyong special day at maging mapalapit ka mo sa Diyos. Happy birthday!
Game. Si Chelsea, may malaking W at may double E. May isang E sa dulo. Bahala kayo kung anong gusto niyong isipin. Chelsea, happy birthday. Stay sweet as you are. Love you. Mwah-mwah.
Hi Jeline, happy birthday, and wish ko sa'yo, always have a strong body, always have a strong mind, and many birthdays to come. Always also be wise in your decisions, kasi sabi nga sa Proverbs 9:11, through wisdom, your days will be many and years will be added into your life. Yeah, happy birthday sa'yo, sobra, and thanks kay Miss Marie Cruz Guevara for adding me up into this video. I know, na-surprise ka namin, especially nila, and yun, thank you for being a good friend to us, and of course, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday.